Welcome back. I hope you're doing amazing. I'm going to be showing you how to make a super simple moisturizing body butter with grass-fed beef tallow. Beef tallow is packed with natural antioxidants, vitamins that help to nourish your skin, boost skin health, and it's great for so many different skin types, sensitive skin, eczema prone skin. So I'm going to show you my process for making this ultra lightweight moisturizing body butter. I'm going to show you my process step by step for making this. So let's go on and get started. And if this is the first time you're stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY hair and skincare videos. And I'm also a small business owner. I sell my handmade products online and I also teach formulating classes and I have ebooks. Everything I mentioned is always linked in the description box. I'm going to be using a digital scale to weigh my ingredients and all my equipment. I have them linked in the description box as well. And the complete formula and recipe is going to be shown at the end of this video. It's going to be given in percentages as well as grams. So weighing out my ingredients, my first ingredient is going to be my grass-fed beef tallow. There is so much information about beef tallow. There are lots of thoughts about beef tallow, but beef tallow is obtained from animal fat, and I'm using the grass-fed beef tallow. It is also used in soap making, skincare products. There are so many different debates about beef tallow with dermatologists, but it contains multiple vitamins like vitamin A, D, K, E, B12. It has antioxidants. But I'm going to melt this down. This literally melts down in minutes, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes is super fast to melt down. So once it's completely melted down, I'm going to remove from the heat and allow it to cool down for a few minutes before I add in the rest of my ingredients. I'm adding in some apricot oil. This is a very lightweight oil. It absorbs quickly into your skin without leaving a heavy, greasy residue. It's also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. You just want to give this a quick mix, and then I'm going to cover this up using some foil paper, and I'm going to put this my bowl in the freezer until it becomes semi-solid. Once my mixture has firmed up and hardened up, this is what the texture consistency is looking like. So it's pretty firm. Now I'm going to use my mixer and I'm just going to whip this until it becomes light and fluffy. The time varies. It depends on how light and fluffy you want your butter to be, but I will say that beef tallow has a much softer consistency than shea butter. So I whipped this for maybe about 7 to 10 minutes. This is not a big batch, so I used my small mixer to do this, and you want to scrape down the sides just to make sure everything is evenly distributed and everything is well mixed. So just do this. I mean, I did it, like I said, up to 10 minutes. You may not have to whip for the amount of time that I did. It really depends on how you want your body butter consistency to be. I'm going to add in the rest of my ingredients, and I'm going to be using vitamin E T50. This is going to help extend the shelf life of your body butter, and it's going to keep the oils fresh and prevent them from going rancid. I decided to add essential oils. I'm using a blend of lavender essential oil and whole wood essential oil. So this is a soft floral essential oil blend. To cut down on the greasiness of this body butter, I'm using tapioca flour. This is going to make the body butter feel less greasy, and it's going to help it absorb even quicker into your skin. And all I'm going to do next is just whip this up or mix it in until the flour and the oils are well mixed. I usually do this for about 1 to 2 minutes. And the tallow body butter is ready. This is what the consistency is looking like. It is such a soft, fluffy, and creamy body butter texture. It feels like a thick lotion. It's definitely much softer than the shea butter body butter that I usually make. But I'm going to go ahead and pipe this into my jars. I usually just put this on a press and seal wrap, and then I use my reusable piping bag. I use a piping tip, and then I'll just pipe into my jars. I'll link my super detailed body butter making video. I'm going to link it in the description box. I go much more in depth about my process for making body butter products. And as always, feel free to make substitutions to make it work best for your own formula. But I'm going to go on and share the formula recipe for this tallow body butter, and it is given in percentages, and I have converted it into grams. I'll also link my the batch calculator that I use in case you want to make a different batch size. And the whipped tallow body butter is ready. And with anything that you're testing out or using for the first time, always do a patch test to make sure you don't have any irritation to the ingredients that were used in making this body butter product. But you would use this like any other body butter product. Just use it on slightly damp skin right after a shower or bath. With this tallow body butter, I noticed that the consistency felt more like a lotion or thick moisturizer, thick cream, and it absorbed really quickly into my skin. It did not feel heavy. So just apply it on slightly damp skin after a shower or bath, to just deeply moisturize, nourish your skin, provide long lasting moisture. I hope you found this video helpful for making your own body butter products. If you have any questions about my process or the formula that I shared, let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to like this video, leave me a heart emoji in the comments, and if you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. But thank you so much for your support always, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.